Hi, I'm Jack Weir. I'm with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. I want to tell you a little bit about our dealership first. We've been here for over 50 years. It's a family-owned business. We think that service after the sale is just as important as the sale itself. So visit us on the web. We're really one of the best things that you can find in the United States. What I'm going to talk to you today about is the 2018 Thor Windsport. This is the 31Z model. It's 32 feet long. It has an Onan 4.0 generator, flush windows. We're not going to spend a whole lot of time on the outside because all of the specs that you need for holding tanks and stuff are right there online. So we're going to jump right into the stuff that is important, and that's the inside, how good it feels to drive and stuff of that nature. So follow me on inside and we'll take a look. Okay, let's start up here in the cockpit. You got a really nice information center, radio, and it does give you the rear view camera and the side view cameras. Nice roomy cockpit. This is on the Ford Triton V10 power frame. Best in the industry, you can't go wrong with it. You have your sofa over here, your television over here, dinette here. The sofa and the dinette do fold out into sleeping quarters. This one does have an overhead bunk in the cockpit, so you've got more sleeping up there. You've got a nice work triangle for your kitchen, 3-burner cooktop, gas oven, microwave, plenty of overhead storage on the sink. The sink is inlaid with, or the countertop is Corian. Nice double sink with good storage underneath. You do have an extendable countertop to enhance your work triangle. Nice 8 cubic foot refrigerator. Then you have your sink and vanity. Over on this side, you have your shower and lav. All right, working back into the bedroom. We've got a nice walk-around queen-size bed, wardrobe on the right, nice storage on the left, nice storage overhead. You have your rear air conditioner. You have a front air conditioner too, so it doesn't matter where you're at, you're going to be completely cooled. Nice wardrobe there. And then over to this side, you have your audio and video control panel and your nice TV. Nice control panel here, makes it everything very close and easy to get to as far as extending your slide outs and stuff of that nature. This is a heck of a coach to spend your time in. You'll enjoy it. If you've got any further questions or any type of technical questions, please call me at 541-654-1820, or you can get me on email and I respond immediately, jack.weir@guarantee.com. Thank you very much for your time.